So this is my Commodore PET. I converted it to a effectively modern spec PC recently, which a lot of people didn't particularly like. It's a Commodore PET from early 1980s. Some people were quite offended by that I'd not keep it as a doorstop, which was all it was. It was non-functional. Even if I'd repaired it, restored it, what use would it have been? It still would have been basically something just to look at, nothing you could use, a doorstop effectively. As it is, this is i7 6700K, half reusable graphics card, 16 gigabytes of RAM, SSD. The display, the small tube display that was in it, I think 12-inch, it was 10-inch. It was replaced by a 10-inch display, but TFT. It also has an additional 24-inch display because the small one is a little bit small. It's usable if you really wanted to, but it's a little bit on the small side. The only real downside to when I did this was the size of the case. It was difficult to fit in a full-size mechanical keyboard. I wanted to keep the feel of the original keyboard and the original thing, so it had to be mechanical. So this was really the only keyboard I could find that would fit within the case. I'm not massively happy with it. I think it's an American keyboard. Some of the characters are in the wrong place. Probably says dollar instead of pound somewhere. Yeah, it does. So I'm guessing it's American. So I wasn't particularly happy with that part of it. Overall though, it's really good. I use it and it makes me smile. It's great. But as I say, the keyboard was a bit of a problem, and the monitor, a more usable sized TFT display in there would have made a difference. And the more I thought about that, the more I decided to do this, which is basically it's based on the Commodore PET size, dimensions, shape, the look. Basically it's not exactly the same. It's actually slightly bigger, slightly wider. The front is going to sit slightly lower, so it's a bit lower down on the desktop, so you're not reaching up to use it. And it's going to take standard ATX boards. This is the back plane for it, which I've pretty much finalised now. This will slot into this, which is going to be the main case, hopefully, if this print comes out. It's a 22-hour print, so there's plenty of time for it to go wrong yet.